G'day YouTube, JB from Oz here. This is the Chinese lathe that we ended up with in a lot of tools, and Dad's just been cleaning it up, getting it ready to move on to a new home. And here we go. This is a bit of a walkthrough of what it actually has on it.
We'll go through the various features of this Chinese lathe. It's 550 between centres. Nice ring. There's a 4-jaw chuck. Also there's a 3-jaw chuck. 3-jaw chuck. There's a few tools and whatnot. On this side we've got change gears. Drive dog and a chuck. Change gears including a 127. It's a metric lathe. This is for setting up imperial as well. There's also a travelling rest which just bolts on in the normal position. Just run through the speeds. We've got controls here for the speed. That location there, it's running at 60. Forward, stop, reverse, stop. Then we go through the speed ranges. That's 185. Stop and reverse. 220. Any gear will do. That's better. 220. Just get this out of the way. Stop. Up to 325. Is that location? 325. 430. So all of the details are here. Right, just stand back out of the way of the chuck. So 430. You notice here that's engaged a slide across here. This engages the feed mechanism. So this one here is for feed that way. Cross slide. Change the direction. It's now feeding this way. And feeding that way. We've also got threading, so we come over to this location here. That's the threading. Here, and we've got an engagement here. And we can change the direction of that. Travel in that direction as well. Threading and thread in that direction. This engages the thread chasing dial at the bottom, at the right hand. Go back to neutral there. We've got speed still. 670 is there. 670. 990, that's in gear. 990. 1525. And top speed of 2245. Actually, I'll just slow down on that. Now over here we've we've got threading in metric and imperial. We change out the gears, the back gears for doing metric. It's currently set up as ABC, which gives us these feeds and those threads in millimeters. When you come around here, this side cover comes off, and you can change those out using this banjo. You can get the other range of gears also listed in there. So that's that. Come around the front again. What else? Yeah, this has a feature with the chuck where here we have a locking ring at the back. So this locking ring, when you just change that down to a tighter position there. So nice feature. So the lathe, when it goes in reverse, doesn't throw the chuck because it is locked with this actual locking ring. When we take the chuck off, if you have a look down the side there, you can see that there's a large hole here. In that position, the lathe can come off. It just pulls out that way. There's two can't remember what you call them. Normal procedure. You've got two splines, not spines, they're cones, whatever, where that jams up on. This then is a locking device such that it can spin in backwards without the chuck unwinding. So do those up. It's all cleaned up, very nice condition, and it's going to a new owner who sounds very happy to have purchased. So we've released the chuck. We'll just spin that around, the locking ring at the back here. Just spin that around. I'll just loosen these nuts a bit. We'll move the locking ring around, then the chuck will actually come off forwards. So it's pretty obvious that it pulls up tight on these surfaces and on the inside surface there. And this locks it into place with that locking ring, which is a very nice feature. No chance of that spinning off. So there's a 3-jaw, 4-jaw chuck, fixed steady, travelling steady. This is in beautiful condition. The ways are, you can't fault them, they're just beautiful. The whole machine is cleaned up really nicely. This works as well, very well. Tailstock is, again, just perfect. All in lovely condition. That locks up. This also locks here. Or we can wind it out. There's a couple of other bits of gear to go with it. So, chuck. Beautiful, just a keyed chuck. And a live centre as well. So that's beautiful live centre. Just this change gears there, drive plate. Just a really nice condition lathe. Not your average cheap Chinese rubbish. It's your good high quality Chinese rubbish.
So there you have it, a really quick run through of the Chinese lathe, and I'm pretty sure Daniel will be really happy with that. So yeah, thanks for watching, and we'll hopefully have some more interesting stuff soon. Cheers guys.